The following is a presentation of TFNN. The Tom O'Brien Show is produced every business day after the market close. Tom takes your phone calls from 4 to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time using the data available at that time.
Let's go to a Bill in Boca Raton. Hey, Bill, what's going on?
Not too much. Enjoying the warm weather in Florida just like you, except on the other coast.
Perfect, man. Perfect.
Yep.
Do you listen on the internet right now?
Yes.
Cool, man. Cool.
No, I enjoy that. That's in your Tiger TV and everything. I've been watching you for years, and you've really taken this whole programming to a level that's just phenomenal.
I appreciate it.
And now, here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 2 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone had a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Let's take a look at one of our 4 agreements. Create the perfect relationship between you and your body. Treat your body with all the love, honor, gratitude, and respect. When you make it your goal to adore your body and accept yourself completely, you're learning to have the perfect relationship with anyone else you are with. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow up 72, NASDAQ up 11, S&P's up 10, gold contract up $11.30, trading at $1,511 an ounce. Silver up $1.25 at $34.89. Platinum up $35 at $1,725 an ounce. Copper up 12 pennies at $4.21 a pound. Light sweet crude up $2, trading out at $94.94 a barrel. Bonds down 24 ticks at 123.15. Dollar index down 46 ticks at 75.03. Euro is up 6 at 144, and the yen is down 33, trading out at 80.79. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We are at 1307. Game up here is that 1312, and game certainly is up to that 1331 also. We did 900 million out here today. That 900 million, folks, is coming right smack dab into the 1.1 billion. So what I expect here is that, yeah, you can get higher highs next couple of days going into July 4th. This is the B to C of an ABC structure on the way down. That's on your S&P. Dow Industrials, same setup on the Dow Industrials. Dow goes up 72 points. That's coming off that bottom of the 11,862. We're 12,261. That 12,331 is game, as is the 12,443. NASDAQ composite. We go to the composite. We take a look at the composite. This is what you have inside the composite. NASDAQ composite is up $11 today. That $11, that's after, we're at 27.40. We had a high of 27.46. That is after coming off that low of 2,600. So bottom line, $140 up on the composite. You take a look at what we have here is that we did 1.7 billion shares. And the number on the composite is the 2759. That's your first number. And you went to 2746 today. What is game also is that 2808 area. What we did, bottom line, intraday today, folks, we were trading this bounce, and we got it really nice, and I closed everything intraday today. Because the bottom line, I suspect, where I'd like to get shot, it's real close. The bottom line, I'm going to give it tomorrow, see what's happening tomorrow or the next day. But I'd love to this. The NASDAQ is just about there. What isn't there yet is the S&P. The S&P, I like just one more pop. I just love to see a pop right into that. Let me get the actual cash S&P up. If we had the cash S&P up, we're at 1307. I'd love to see that pop right into the 1318 area. Even a gap away would be just a beautiful thing. Bonds out here, this is what we did with bonds. Bonds came down off that top. We did 398,000 contracts today. That 398 is low out there today. It was 123.09. You're at 123.16. And you going into this about the 500,000 level. 3 days down, bottom line. I suspect you'll get some kind of a bounce out of here. The Bonds, the TLT, same deal. The TLT just went from the 97.74 down into the 94.02 mark today, and that 94.02 mark, is pounding into the high volume, going all the way back to the 16th. MasterCard and Visa. Check this out, folks. The Federal Reserve, they gave them carte blanche out here today. So MasterCard and Visa up. MasterCard is up $26 today. Bottom line, Visa, let's go to Visa first. Visa is up $5.84, and that was up a lot more. If Visa had gone to, let me see something, man. That's intense. Watch this. Oh. 86. No, this is not right. This is not right. Visa closed at, let's see, about $86, folks. I'm looking at 81 right now, but it's about $86. That was up a good $10. And what you had there inside the Fed was this. The Federal Reserve voted today on the cap, the debit card cap. And they were expecting, what the bill was out there is basically putting a cap of approximately 12 cents on them. Well, bottom line, they almost doubled it up. They put a cap of 21 cents, and they halted the stocks. The stocks went to the moon after they opened. That's the bottom line. And when you do take a look at them, what is pretty wild is that what you have is that if we look at MasterCard first, up $26. Well, it did the B2C of an ABC structure up in all of 2.5 hours. It took off from $275 and closed out at $304. Visa took off at a price point of $74, and it's at $86.58 right now. So pretty intense. No two ways about that. Some of the high volume stocks we had out here today. You had Bank of America up 96 cents. KB Home was off $1.84. That's a big number for KB. They come out with numbers, but big number there. Visa, let's see, eBay was up $1.90 at Ford, up 9 cents. Cisco Systems was up 20. We had BJ's Wholesale up $2.21. The Big Blue was up 54 cents. Marvell was up 24. Coca-Cola was up 68. 3M was up 9. You had Procter & Gamble down 17. We had Microsoft up 18. Let's go over to the gold market. We take a look at gold out here. Okay, price point on gold. We were trading out at 15.11, and we did out here today. There's still not enough juice behind this market, folks. And this is what it is. You did 93,000 contracts today. That 93,000 is going into 180,000 and 238,000 contracts. Big numbers, folks. No doubt about it. We take a look at the silver contract. What we had with silver out here today, she was up $1.17. That is, she's been building some cars here. We did 32,000 contracts in silver, and that 32 is still not enough juice. Why? She's coming into 98,000 contracts. She's been consolidating for quite a while. Silver's trying to test out that $32.30 mark, where gold is trying to test out the, I believe it's the 1469 number. Let me get this. 1464 number. That's how that is setting up right now. We take a look at the this year's. We go over and we take a look at the banking sector. XLF. What you had inside banking today, that was up 31 cents. 89 million shares traded. What you have here is that she is off that bottom there, 1462. That's after coming down from 1720. And she'll probably run into this 1540 mark. We'll see how she gets into it. Volume wasn't that bad out here today inside the XLF. She did 89 million shares, taking out a swing point at 85 million shares and 86 million shares. She's going flat into a downdraft, however, of 120 million shares. We go to the XLE rather. The energies out here. What we did with energies this year. What we did with energies is that she was up 86 cents. That is setting up a nice ABC structure on the way down. She's been in a consolidation move all the way back from the February 1st time frame. Today we went up with 21 million shares traded, And right now, she was hitting lows with 45 million shares traded. The IWM, this one's going to get really interesting. Why? Because she's setting up just a beautiful Tiger Gottlieb off that bottom. She's close to it right now. You know, what she had done yesterday, she got over a B point, did it with lighter volume. She's coming into another swing, coming in with lighter volume. She has to get up about another point, and that baby is setting up really sweet. There's no two ways about that. We go take a look at the good old Caterpillar. Inside the Caterpillar was down 48 cents today. This is an equity that had finished a monster ABC up. Then comes off those highs of 116 and goes straight down to 94. Big number, $20, right? Well, she's going to make it or break it at this 105.23 level. She's going to need some real juice in her, and we'll see whether she gets the juice in her. I'm suspecting that she'll get into the price point of that 105, and that's where you're going to see it give it up. Why? Because when you actually bring this back, there's a lot of resistance first off, there's a lot of buying that was at the 100, 103, but as soon as you got over 105, it was all dead meat up there. So that's a big number to keep your eye on. IBM, Big Blue, she's double topping up here. We'll see how she comes into this 173 again. Last time she couldn't handle the 173, comes all the way back down to that 161 area. Big Mac, we take a look at McDonald's out here. We have McDonald's. She was up 22 cents today, to an all-time high, yearly high, rather. McDonald's, let's bring this back a bit. 08. Yeah, these worm burgers are selling, evidently. Okay, so let's take a look at it. You're at $50 to 84 in a few years. Put it on monthly. This is one heck of a chart here, folks. No doubt. Well, she's going to need a lot more juice. I mean, she's no doubt going higher. Let me just see something. You know what it is, too, with this equity? You know, you get an equity that is going up, and she's paying a big dividend, 2.8% dividend. Big number. A big number for a stock that's escalating in price also. Verizon, now there's an equity that's paying 5.5% dividend. She's still in the consolidation. If you actually bring Verizon back to 2007, she's trading right where she was trading in 2008. Pretty amazing. Let's bring it back to 05. See what we have. We bring it back to 05 and 04. Look at this. But, you know, it's not bad if you're getting 5% a year. You can bring it back to, I just brought it back to 04, and it's the same level it was in 04. Yeah, this equity is the same level it was in, actually, this equity is the same level it was in 2000. Pretty amazing. Listen, folks, this is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. Don't forget, tonight, 6:30 to 8 o'clock, you're going to want to go to our man, Mr. Bub Rolf's outstanding Challenge of the Channels webinar. Come over to our website right under breaking news, folks.
Tiger University's Tiger